Hello, my name is Timina. Today, I'm going to teach you how we use sign language grammar, especially focusing on question tags. Take for example, how are you? No, it's boring. We say, you how? When are you coming? You come when? Where's my bag? My bag where? Or you home where? Which of these is my pen? No. My pen? Which? If it's blue or red, say my pen which? Who are you? No. We say you who. What's your name? No. You name what? I believe we have understood how to use question tags in sign language grammar. We begin with the subject matter. Take for example, you name what? You age which? This bag whose? You how? Thank you.